Imagine turning a messy page of notes into a client-ready slide deck, researched, designed, and on brand, without opening a single design tool. Grok in Google Workspace makes that possible, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up in under 5 minutes. Here's what we'll cover. First, what Grok in Google Workspace actually is, and why it's different from other AI add-ons. Then, exactly how to install it once and use it inside docs, sheets, and slides. After that, how freelancers are turning this into paid client work. And by the end, you'll know exactly whether it's worth switching your workflow to. Grok for Google Workspace is a free sidebar AI that lives inside docs, sheets, and slides. One install covers all 3 apps. It's for anyone who spends hours formatting spreadsheets, writing first drafts, or building slide decks from scratch. In Sheets, it answers questions straight from your data, citing the exact cells it used, and writes and fills the formulas for you, so updating a model doesn't mean rebuilding it from zero. In Docs, it turns rough notes into a structured draft with real headings and lists, and fixes grammar in place without breaking your formatting. In Slides, it takes an outline and builds a full research deck in your existing theme, pulling in facts from the web where they're useful. One free install replaces 3 separate AI subscriptions, and it just shipped the same add-on for Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, too. Here's exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search Grok for Google Workspace and install it. It's free, and one install activates it in Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Step 2. Open any Slides file and click the Grok icon in the sidebar. Step 3. Paste in your rough outline or bullet points, even messy notes work, and hit Generate. Step 4. Grok researches your topic, adds diagrams or images where they help, and builds every slide to match your existing theme. 2 minutes later, you have a deck that would have taken you an hour. That's the one feature that makes Grok for Google Workspace worth installing on its own. The same sidebar follows you everywhere. You're not learning 3 different AI tools. You write formulas in Sheets, draft in Docs, and build decks in Slides, all with the exact same panel, all for free. Now here's how you turn this into income. Freelance assistants and consultants are already charging clients $300 to $800 for AI-built decks and spreadsheet models, because most business owners don't know this tool exists yet, and they'll gladly pay to skip the hours of formatting and research. If you already do this kind of work, Grok cuts your build time down to minutes, so you can take on more clients without raising your rate, or bundle AI-accelerated deliverables as a premium add-on to your existing packages. Find these clients in freelance Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or Fiverr gigs under Presentation Design or Spreadsheet Automation. And mention the fast turnaround up front, because that's what actually closes the deal. Let's talk pricing. Right now, Grok for Google Workspace is completely free. The sidebar AI in Docs, Sheets, and Slides, with no separate subscription, no usage cap that's been announced, and no paid tier to upsell you into later. If you use Google Workspace for anything, client work, school, your own business, this is a no-brainer to install today, because there's genuinely nothing to lose. If you're locked into Microsoft Office instead, XAI just shipped the same add-on for Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, so you're covered either way. What's the first deck or spreadsheet you'd let Grok build for you? Drop it below. I read every comment. Follow Patapo AI. New AI tool every day. No hype, no fluff.